An app can support PayPal withdrawals without sending every payout instantly, because the cash-out method, verification requirements and processing system can affect when the money actually arrives. By the end, you'll know what to look for in 5 Bingo apps that offer PayPal withdrawals, and how to tell an actual instant payout from a withdrawal that still requires processing. Number 1 is Bingo Cash. Its official support information says eligible players can withdraw winnings, while the service also offers free rewards and cash tournaments. Before playing, check the current withdrawal requirements and whether PayPal is available for your account. Number 2 is Bingo Win Cash. Its App Store listing identifies PayPal as one of its payment features and includes real money bingo competitions. Check the withdrawal screen inside the current version of the app before assuming the payout will be instant. Number 3 is Bingo of Cash. Its current App Store listing says withdrawals can use PayPal and Apple Pay. The same listing also promotes daily bonuses and other reward features, so check the cash-out requirements before spending money or time on the app. Number 4 is Bingo Rico. Its App Store listing advertises real cash tournaments and a daily bonus. Cash game availability can depend on location, so check whether the real money features and withdrawal options are available where you live. Number 5 is Papaya Gaming's Bingo Cash. Be careful when searching because several apps use similar names. Verify the developer and official app listing before entering payment information or creating an account. Now, here's the part that matters most. PayPal supported does not automatically mean instant PayPal payout. A withdrawal may require identity verification, account eligibility checks, a minimum withdrawal amount, or additional processing before PayPal receives the funds. If an app says withdrawals are processed rather than instant, treat those as different claims. Before downloading any of these apps, open the official withdrawal information and check 4 things: PayPal support, minimum withdrawal requirements, verification requirements, and the stated processing time. Also make sure the app is available in your location. Real money bingo features can be restricted by region, and promotional terms can change. So the 5 apps to investigate are Bingo Cash, Bingo Win Cash, Bingo of Cash, Bingo Rico, and Papaya Gaming's Bingo Cash. Focus on the actual withdrawal terms rather than a headline promising instant cash. If you want the fastest possible payout, verify the PayPal withdrawal process inside the current app before playing. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app and payout guides. Newell.